This villa features an open floor plan with volume ceilings. Front of home. Living area features tile floors on diagonal. Living area also features glass sliding doors to screened lanai. Screened lanai is spacious and private. Lanai also features tile floors and ceiling fans. Living area is also light and bright. Kitchen features granite countertops and tile backsplash. Kitchen also features a built-in double oven. Kitchen also has a built-in smooth cooktop. Kitchen has spacious dining area and plenty of lighting. Flex room can be either third bedroom or office or den. Master bedroom is spacious. Master bathroom. Guest bedroom. Guest bathroom. Very private rear yard with patio off lanai.